Making French fries for you guys. Belgian.
Yeah.
Typical Belgian French fries.
Okay. Make it good, ah. Make it good.
I do make that easy.
Eh, pwede ka dyan.
Very good for John. I'm always good. You don't know that?
It's not that good. You're the best. Wow. Yes, of course. Nothing else. Nothing else but from me. Wow. That's a real French fry. Are you tired? Are you sure? You don't want me to do that? How many years?
2 weeks.
2 weeks training.
No. I can't concentrate very well because I did 1 year concentration camp.
Okay. Ikaw naman, Mikmik, anong ginagawa mo? Pwede video ka dyan rin. Do you really want to make it like that? Sticks like sticks?
Bigger?
No? Maybe that's enough.
They would taste better than the McDonald's.
Make it good. Of course. You're the best, Bunny.